This is the condition of my bike after the tour. Very dirty. You can see that from behind. I'm going to clean it now. Okay, before cleaning it, I need to take off the battery so that any water cannot damage the battery or the other electrical line. As well as you can see that this is the CDI. I need to unplug it, and I also will remove the CDI from the vehicle so that it also do not get wet. So I remove the battery from my motorbike. You can see that this is the battery. Now I'm going to remove this. This is called the capacitor discharge unit, CDI. And after that, this is the battery connection. I'm going to cover it with some polythene, as well as I'm going to cover those cables with the polythene as well. The battery connection as well as the CDI connection, all the cables are covered with some polythene. And now I'm going to put this back on my bike so that as much less possible water can go in the cable connection. If possible, cover the magnet area too. I don't want any water get inside into the magnet, and I don't want that it hampers to produce the electricity. Now it's time to cover the spark plug area. I don't want any water hamper over there, so this is the polythene. I'm going to cover it now.